Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a thick horizontal line in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the Shape drop down menu and go to the Line section. Select the line shape. Now we want to draw the line horizontally. Press and hold the shift on our keyboard and draw the line straightly. Now we can see we draw a line horizontally. Then select the line shape. Go to the shape format menu. Select the format shape option. Then go to the fill and line option. Enable the line. Select the solid line option. You can change the color. Now I am select red color. You can increase the white. Now we make the line thick. Otherwise you can add the compound type, make double, triple or dash line or dot line. Now we can see we make a thick horizontal line in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.